Welcome to Tell All Wealth. Today we're diving into how you can create a faceless YouTube channel using AI and achieve viral success. A faceless YouTube channel doesn't require you to appear on camera. It's perfect for those of us who prefer to maintain our privacy while still creating engaging and entertaining content. Imagine the freedom of expressing your creativity without the pressure of being in front of a lens. Whether you're camera shy or you simply value your anonymity, a faceless channel allows you to focus on the quality of your content without the added stress of personal exposure. Plus, it opens up a world of possibilities for using AI tools to enhance your production process. From script writing to voiceovers and even video editing, the power of AI can help you craft professional-grade videos without ever showing your face. This approach not only protects your privacy, but also allows you to concentrate on what truly matters, delivering valuable and informative content to your audience. Now, let's dive into some real-life success stories. The infographic show has millions of subscribers with visually appealing, informative content. Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell, explains complex topics with beautiful animations. These channels prove you don't need to be on camera to make an impact. AI tools can help generate video scripts, voiceovers, and even edit videos. This simplifies the content creation process and saves time. Imagine having an AI assistant that can analyze trending topics on platforms like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics, ensuring that your content is always relevant and engaging. With AI-driven script writing, you can produce compelling narratives without the need for extensive writing skills. Voice-over tools can mimic various tones and styles, providing a professional touch to your videos. Additionally, AI video editing software can seamlessly integrate animations, transitions, and effects, making your content visually stunning. These tools not only enhance the quality of your videos, but also allow you to focus on creativity and strategy. By leveraging AI, you can create high-quality, faceless YouTube content that resonates with your audience and stands out in a crowded digital landscape. To ensure your videos go viral, analyze trending topics and popular videos in your niche. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics can be very helpful. Tailor your videos to meet audience demands. This increases your chances of getting noticed. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Thumbnails should be eye-catching and relevant. Consistency is key. Regularly post high-quality videos. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments. This will create a sense of community and boost your channel's visibility. Now let's explore how you can leverage AI to brainstorm and generate unique content ideas based on trending topics. AI tools like ChatGPT can be incredibly powerful for content creators. By inputting trending keywords and topics, ChatGPT can provide you with a plethora of innovative ideas that cater to your audience's interests. Imagine never running out of fresh content ideas and always staying ahead of the curve with what's popular. These AI tools analyze massive amounts of data to predict trends and suggest content that is not only relevant but also engaging. This means you can focus more on creating and less on brainstorming. Furthermore, AI can help you refine your content by offering suggestions for improvements, ensuring that your videos are always of the highest quality. By integrating AI into your content creation process, you can save time, enhance creativity, and maintain a steady flow of captivating videos for your audience. AI-powered tools can take your content creation to the next level. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate engaging video scripts tailored specifically to your audience. Imagine having a virtual assistant that understands your niche and crafts compelling narratives with just a few inputs from you. Simply input your topic and let the AI do the work. These AI tools can help you maintain a consistent posting schedule by automating parts of the creative process. Whether you need help with script writing, voiceovers, or even video editing, AI has got you covered. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your content remains high quality and relevant. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can focus on what you do best, creating and engaging with your audience while leaving the heavy lifting to the technology. Let's focus on how AI voiceover tools can elevate your Faceless YouTube channel. Tools like Amazon Polly or Google Text-to-Speech produce natural sounding voiceovers. They offer a wide range of voices and languages to match your brand. Convert your text scripts into high quality audio with just a few clicks. Customize speed, pitch, and add pauses for dramatic effect. Streamline your workflow and maintain a consistent professional sound. Enhance viewer experience and build a strong brand identity. AI video editing tools can streamline your production process. Tools like InVideo and Magisto quickly edit and enhance your videos. They use advanced algorithms to suggest the best edits, transitions, and effects. Save hours of manual work, whether you're creating vlogs, reviews, or educational content. Imagine having a polished video ready in a fraction of the time. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, let's focus on creating eye-catching thumbnails and optimizing for SEO. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, and a compelling one can boost your click-through rate. AI tools like Canva offer templates and design elements with drag and drop functionality. You can easily craft attention-grabbing thumbnails. Optimizing for SEO is crucial for growing your channel. Tools like TubeBuddy analyze titles, descriptions, and tags, providing data-driven recommendations. TubeBuddy helps find the best keywords and trending topics. Leverage these AI tools to reach a wider audience. Now that you've created eye-catching thumbnails and optimized your videos for SEO, it's time to get your content in front of the right audience. Upload your video to YouTube and promote it across social media for maximum reach. Share on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments. Collaborate with other YouTubers to cross-promote. This can help you grow your subscriber base. Use end screens and cards to promote other videos. Strategically promote your videos to maximize reach and grow your channel. With AI, you can predict trends, tailor videos to audiences, and optimize monetization. Machine learning analyzes viewer behavior for insights on posting times and video lengths. AI-driven analytics fine-tune your content strategy. AI-generated voiceovers and deepfake technology create new personas. Embrace these tools and integrate them into your workflow. Rest assured that even without showing your face, you can still create a loyal audience by being responsive, authentic, and consistent. Be sure to reply to comments, acknowledge feedback, and create a sense of connection. Use community posts and polls to involve your audience. Host live sessions or Q&As by using avatars, screen recordings, or animations to engage with your audience. Leverage social media to share behind-the-scenes content and updates. Celebrate milestones and make your audience feel integral to your journey. To sum up this video, if you're a content creator who values privacy, it's essential to know how to make faceless YouTube videos using AI. A faceless YouTube channel eliminates camera shyness. AI tools can generate scripts, voiceovers, and even edit videos for you. AI can analyze trending topics with Google Trends and YouTube Analytics. You can use AI for script writing, voiceovers, and video editing, for optimizing thumbnails and SEO with Canva and TubeBuddy, also for uploading and promoting your videos. Therefore, leverage AI to create engaging content and achieve YouTube viral success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.